two sockets, T sockets I bought from Taparia because they are almost half the size, half the price of Stanley. They are also good. The build quality of them is also good. The only difference is this handle. The Stanley one doesn't comes with this rubber one, but this Taparia one does. If you see this, these are the size. This one is also like 30 centimeter, yeah, from here, and from here if you'll see it's around 20. Same size as Stanley, half the price, but the Stanley one is having its own charm. I bought this in pair actually, so 9, one is like TSW9 and 9mm and 11mm, TSW11. I thought that they are rarely used, so let's try Taparia one. So this is like the T socket. The build quality of this is also good, so if you are buying it for actual use, then yeah, you can also go with this Taparia one. It's fine.